Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, navigation system, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, backup camera. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.